Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Let's go and find the toy. Just now I got a basket here. Let's go and find the toy right now. Please come on. All right, here I got one here. Wow, it is so beautiful. It is like a Rubicon, everyone. Oh my goodness. So I keep it in the basket here. Wow, another one here. It is the gold Rubicon. Oh my goodness, it's so cool, so beautiful. Yeah, lucky am I? Yes, of course. Yeah. Wow, another two dump truck. My God, super cool. Yes. Wow, a small dump truck. Okay, cool. Oh my God, yeah, so beautiful. It is dump truck. Yeah. Okay. Wow, too many. Oh, another two more, everyone. Oh my God. Yeah, so cool. Yes, it is E.vator. Wow, so beautiful day. Yes, I keep in here. And this one, it is a E.vator. Oh, one more small mini. Yeah, small motorbike. Wow, it's so cool. Yeah, so nice, everyone. Yeah. All right, beautiful. It's so lovely. Okay, yeah, it's covered. Wow, so big toys. All right. Wow, wow, a lot, everyone. Yeah, my God, why it is here? Yes, so many toys. Oh my God, it is like, yeah, a small minibus. Okay, keep it here. And this is yeah, super fast motorbike, so nice. Just keep here. And this is a super tanker, everyone. Wow, so beautiful. And this is Rubicon, super beautiful. Yeah, it's nice toys. Wow. And garbage truck, my goodness, so beautiful. It is like a city team, super powerful truck. Yeah, cool. And this is dump truck, everyone. My God, so cool. Yeah, super beautiful and heavy truck. Yes, just keep here. Wow, so beautiful. It is like a yeah, Bugatti, super toys. Okay, and here last it is like a, yeah, dump truck. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, everyone, look at this. I got a lot of toy here. Oh my God, so beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone.